Hello guys and welcome to my Unity Physics 2D course. In this episode, I will show you how to make a platform move from left to right and up and down by script. So in the last two videos I made the player move and jump, and when he falls down, he respawns. So let's create a platform at first. I drag the sprite, I add a box collider to it, I add a rigid body to it, rigid body 2D, box collider 2D. Okay, mass is 1 million, that we can't move it. Angular drag 0, gravity scale 0, collision detection continuous, and freeze rotation. Okay, so let's create a script. Let's call it vertical movement. Okay, so let's open up the script. It's a bit laggy for me. Okay, so at first we create public rigid body called RB and public float called speed. So we will going to create a function that makes the platform move up. Very simple. With one line of code, rigid body dot velocity equals transform dot up times speed. So the other function that we are going to create is move down. So very simple. Okay, so one thing that you need to know is there is no transform dot up, dot down, I mean, because you need to write minus transform up, that stands for transform dot down, because there is no down. I don't know why. Okay, so we're going to add another public float called restart timer. So what does this timer mean? I will show you in a second. Like, we create a void start function and we use the invoke repeating method. I recommend learning this method because it's very cool. So the first parameter is the function. Okay, the function is move up. You need to write exactly as it is here, in here. Then, when does it start? It starts to repeat after 0 seconds and every restart timer, because the platform moves up and down and the timer restarts and it goes up and down again. Very simple. Okay, so let's create another invoke repeating, but now it's move down and it starts from restart timer divided by 2. It's because it moves half the way and it goes down, and these are always constantly repeating. So okay, let's save this. Let's add the script to the platform. Vertical movement. Okay, so we drag this rigid body to this window. Let's make the speed 5, and it moves from up and down in 2 seconds. Okay, so let's see how this works. And as you see, the platform moves up and down, and I can jump on it. And because it uses physics, the player jumps a bit, because everything is using physics 2D, and that's how you need to try to do this. Very good. Okay, next. We are going to create a horizontal movement for platform. That is very simple. I mean, we're just going to copy paste almost everything. Horizontal movement. Let's open up the script. Let's just copy paste all of this in here. And what we need to change is move up, just move right, and we are here right. And if you want to move left, minus transform that right. Okay, we just change this and this and this. Very simple. And now the platform will move left and right. Very simple. Okay, let's just duplicate this platform. Okay, like this. Let's move it, add the script, horizontal movement, or I'll add it like this, and let's add the rigid body at first. I forgot rigid body. Let's make all the parameters right. Okay, so very simple. Speed 5, start timer 2. Okay, let's add it here and let's see how this works. So as you see, the platforms are moving like they should move. Oh, I'm not that good at those games. Okay, so as you see, everything is working fine, and you have a platform. You can even create a platform game at now. So if you liked this video, you can always subscribe, and you can always write a comment if you want to learn something. Okay, have a good day, guys.